Sprinkled with love, unveiling the warmth of words. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a delightful phrase that's as sweet as it sounds, sprinkled with love. Join us as we unwrap the layers of meaning behind these words and discover how they can add a touch of warmth to our communication. Sprinkled with love is a metaphorical expression used to describe an action done with great care, affection, or kindness. The word sprinkled suggests adding something in small amounts, much like sprinkling sugar on a cake or rain gently falling on the ground. When we say something is sprinkled with love, we mean that the love is spread out evenly, touching every part of what we're talking about. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from describing the preparation of food to the making of handmade gifts or even in providing services. For instance, a meal prepared by a loved one might be described as sprinkled with love, to highlight the extra care and affection that went into its preparation. Similarly, a gift made by hand could be said to carry the same quality, emphasizing the thoughtfulness and personal attention invested in it. Sprinkled with love is a perfect example of figurative language, where words are used in a way that deviates from their literal interpretation to convey more vivid or complex meanings. This phrase evokes imagery and emotions, enriching our language and allowing us to communicate more effectively about our feelings and actions. We hope this exploration of the phrase, sprinkled with love, has added a bit of sweetness to your day and enriched your understanding of the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about what we convey and the feelings we evoke in others. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the beauty of English in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned and keep learning with love.